the sound. It is a voiced bilabial nasal. Typical spelling patterns include single M, double M, MB, LM, and MN. Word examples. Number 1, single M. The single M sounds as in calm, ram, and man. Number 2, double M. Double M sounds as in summary, mammal, and hammer. Number 3, MB. MB sounds as in plumber, not plumber. Plumber, bum, and lamb, not lamb. Number 4, LM. LM sounds as in calm, palm, and quam. Number 5, MN. MN sounds as in him, column, and condemn. Like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.